Okay, you imbeciles, it's me, Kinghuman. Listen up. I'm going to try and make you some dough. Flipping domain names. No, you're not going to have to buy a course. I'm going to give you all the information you need right here, right now. Watch this whole video. Okay, here's what's doing. I have a crap ton of domain names, right? Million of them. I use them in my internet marketing business. It's a whole nother video. I'll go into that later some other time. But anyway, what happened was a couple of days ago, somebody contacted me and said, hey, you own this killer domain name. We need it for our business. We're willing to pay you a stack. Here it is. So I said, cool. And I took the stack of money and I give them the domain name. It took a couple of clicks. Boom goes dynamite. But here's where it gets interesting. This is something that I just learned. Now, I'm going to tell you, you can probably make some good money flipping domains, but you're probably not going to make a huge amount of money doing it. And maybe it'll buy you a car payment or a house payment or something. It's not going to make you huge rich. The days of buying a domain name and selling it for gazillions of dollars is gone. But what I'm going to tell you is there's another domain name gold rush going on right now, and you can cash in on it if you just listen to Kinghuman. God damn it. Okay, just listen to Kinghuman. And what am I going to tell you? I'm going to tell you not to buy .com domain names. I know people are going to go nuts right now. Don't buy .com. .com is what everybody wants. What are you going to tell us to do, Kinghuman? You're an idiot. Yeah, I'm an idiot, but listen, I'm a genius idiot because I know what's doing. Okay, I want you to look at .io domain names. Why .io? What the hell is .io? Well, if you don't know, .io means Indian Ocean. Now, what's doing is Google has determined that the Indian Ocean, which is a little speck out there in the middle of, nowhere land, has very few internet users. So they're giving priority in search rankings to .io extensions or .io domain names. What that means to you is if you get the right .io domain name, you can rank higher in the search engines. And that translates to money in your pocket. Why? If you can get a good .io domain name and it's relevant and it's short and it applies to, say, technology or computer science or, retail or e-commerce or whatever, you got a really good .io domain name. It can rank high in the search engines because it's optimized already for search engine optimization. That becomes a valuable asset that you can resell to somebody. Because if you can sell something to them that will give them an advantage in the marketplace, and it starts with their domain name, that becomes something that you can get paid for. See what I'm getting at here? There's money to be made if you know what you're up to. So while you can, you want to get some good .io domain names, and you can put them up for auction. First of all, a cool thing to do, there it is. Cool thing to do is before you buy the domain name, get it appraised. Google is your friend. Google search for free domain name appraisals and, plug in your domain name and you'll get an appraisal. The other day I found one, I think it's a real winner, and it's about a new technology that hasn't even happened yet. But it will happen in, say, another year or so. Company is already developing it. It's in production. It's ready to go. It just hasn't launched yet. When it does, I own that .io domain name. And I'm going to approach the company and say, hey, guys, it's a technology name. So I plugged it into the appraiser, and the appraisal came back at like $8,000, something like that. So I know there's value there. And I know when the time comes, I can put this on a domain auction and probably make good bank with it. Now, domain auctions, again, Google that. I know that GoDaddy has domain auction website, And there's another one out there I forget the name of. Google is your friend. Don't drive me totally mashugana with this stuff. Don't make me do your Google searches for you. You're smart enough to do a Google search, right? I hope so. So there it is. Go out, do some prospecting, do some research on the internet. Find out what new things are coming on the horizon. See if you can't find the .io domain name for that new thing that's coming out, whether it be in entertainment, whether it be in IT, whether it be in security, whether it be in whatever, in e-commerce, whatever, it doesn't matter. Find the new thing that hasn't happened yet, or find the thing that's just on the cutting edge of taking off, and get that .io domain name. Have it appraised before you buy it. See what's doing. If you got value there, snap it up. Now here's the thing I haven't told you yet. If you go into Namecheap or GoDaddy or any of those places and you bought a .io domain name, it's going to be more than just $9. $9 is about the standard for a domain name. $9 a year. .io domain names go for $32 at the bottom level, $32 a piece. So why? Because they're more valuable. That's why. So right there, you're getting value. You're getting into the game. And after you got your domain names, you've got them appraised, you go look at the auctions, see how people format their auctions, give it a shot. Who knows? And then when you start making huge bank, I expect you to kiss me and takas. I expect you to come to me. Now, these domain names are getting snapped up pretty quick, these .io domain names. It's not a new thing. It's been going on for a while. And most of the good ones, the really top level ones, have been taken. But that doesn't mean you can't find good ones anymore and make money. It's out there. You just have to get on it. All right, now I want to talk to you about something else. Okay, this is serious. This is for real. My website, thekinghumanelite.com. I'm gonna probably be closing up membership pretty quickly. I'm not sure, but I've decided it's getting to capacity as far as members go. So I'm telling you, if you ever wanted to become a member, you better go do it now. If you don't know what my website is here, I'll show you. This is a kind of long video, but you need to see this, because if you don't get on this now, where's my water? If you don't get in on this now, you're done, you're toast. It's a hell of a deal. Okay, that's what's doing. Love it or shove it. And I'm going to show you what's doing on my website right now, so you can decide for yourself, okay? All right, cool. Oh, shit. Okay, real quick, here's what's doing. This is my website, if you don't know, thekinghumanelite.com, Online Education Academy. Now, if you've been here before, you'll notice this has changed drastically. In what regard? Well, I used to have a video up here talking about what the site, the benefits of the site were, and what you were going to get by becoming a member. There were a lot of testimonials on here, people talking, a bunch of videos, people talking about how much money they made from the content that they got from the Kinghuman Elite website, on and on. And all of that's gone now because I'm almost at capacity for membership. So I took all that down, and now I'm just saying, hey, look, if you're here, you probably know why you're here. And, there's still a few spots left. If you want to see if you can get in, you got to click here. And if you can get in, you can get in. If not, no amount of begging is going to get you access. Once it's full, it's full. So you click on it, and it's going to show you pretty much what's doing. Now, when I installed this script here, there were all 100 spots were available. I'm down to the last 100 memberships. Once that's full, I'm not letting any more new members in. So if you're a member now, you should not let your membership go. If you're not a member, you may want to think about joining, because this is going to be capped. So once this bar reaches all the way over here, that's it. No more new members. Maybe Maybe I'll do a membership purge at some point and reopen it, but you know, this is the way it's going to be for right now. No more new members. When 100 spots are sold, that's it. I'm done selling new memberships. So just so you know, I don't want to hear any snivel bitching. And you know, if you want to know what's in the website, I'll give you a quick tour right now. Okay, new members, click here. If you're a new member, when you join, this is going to give you kind of an overview of the site, what it's going to teach you, where you're going to go, what you're going to learn. Basically, what's in here is a bunch of different tutorials on how to make money online, and there are a bunch of done-for-you businesses in a box that you can just take, rebrand as your own product, and sell, and keep 100% of the money. So basically, that's what's doing. This course, there's more material down here. It goes on and on. It's going to give you the introduction. Now, the other thing I have on here before we get into the content is a training vault. This is a technical training vault. This has all kinds of technical training about just, you know, everything you need to know about getting things set up and running. That includes WordPress. If you want to use WordPress, it includes Weebly, Wix, anything and everything. It includes your autoresponders. Everything is in here. Now, let's go to the content. It goes back 2 years, so it goes back to 2017, and you get all year's worth of content for 2017. And then 2018, of course, it stops at October because we're in October right now. So I can pick one of these at random, and we'll just take a quick look. So here's the June Money Pages 2018. I always start with a intro video to give you guys an idea of what the content is and why I posted it here. So I start with instructional courses, things that are going to teach you guys how to make money. The first, as an example, the first course I posted here was Social Media Leads Magnets Paradigm. Social Media Lead Magnets Paradigm. Let me say that right. And so I get into this and I show you guys how to, you know, set up lead magnets that will make you money on autopilot with your autoresponder. Basically, how to set up an email funnel using a killer lead magnet. So next would be the secret income business model. I'm not going to get into that. I don't want to reteach these things here. I'm just showing you what you can expect. This kind of stuff every month. Content creation made super easy. Again, you just click on it and download. This probably has, I don't know, 10 videos in it. Here's a whole website that you get. It's a Bitcoin website that you can keep, run, flip, monetize, whatever you want to do. Download it, install it, boom goes dynamite. Email income dynamics. This is another course. Look, email marketing is huge. This is another course on it. I've got plenty of different courses on how to make money with email marketing, how to set up email funnels so that they work 24/7, making you passive income. This is just one more course. You click, you download the videos, you got them. Insider marketing hacks that make money. Okay, this is another course. This is about this platform. I'm up to $33,000 in profits with this particular platform, and I'm showing you guys how to get into that and how to make money with it. How to easily make your own profitable software. Again, white label rebranding wealth formula. It shows you guys how to rebrand these white label courses. Viral marketing domination. Insider secrets to going viral. Viral marketing domination advanced video course. And then we get into the courses that you can put your name on and sell as your own. Pay-per-click profit calculator software. There's a piece of software you now own. As a member, you get it for free. And you can sell it for whatever you want. You can use it as a lead magnet. You can give it away for your members, whatever you want to do. Sales page copywriter software. This writes your sales pages for you. Again, click, download it, boom goes the dynamite, you're in business. Email swipe copy creator software. Another piece of software that you get the resale rights for. You know, and this is just an example. This goes on and on and on for years and years and years. Every month you get new courses, new content, and this is going to close to new members pretty quickly. So if you ever thought about being a member, you better get in now. And if you are a member, you better not let your membership drop, because you probably won't be able to get back in. All right, go away, you annoy me, bye and